Next one, with reference to information and communication technology initiatives and the departments in which they are utilized, which of the following pairs is or are correctly matched? First, Saransh is from education. Yes, this is also right. In fact, it is an initiative of CBSE. So it is you have studied in your Current Affairs Plus channel. Yeah, it is actually given in the digital India handbook that has been given, that has been dealt in Current Affairs Plus. So Saransh is actually an education, is an education related one, initiative of CBSE. M cessation, again, it is actually actually an initiative for tobacco control from the health ministry. So this again is also correct. Now Samir is also air pollution related, that is, it is also an air pollution related app which is trying to monitor the air pollution, that is a pollutants that is present in the air, that is based on AQI, that is air quality index. So this is also correct. And the fourth one, GERV, that is, it is also related with rural electrification. In fact, it provides real-time electrification related data, rural electrification related data to its app users. So that's the reason why we can say 1, 2, 3 and 4, everything is correctly matched. So Saransh is actually an CBSE initiative, is a tool for comprehensive self-review as well as for analysis for CBSE schools and for affiliated schools and parents. M cessation is actually a Ministry of Health and Family Welfare initiative in which it partners with WHO as well as with Indian Telecommunication Union, which has started an initiative for utilizing mobile technology for tobacco cessation or tobacco related, that is to reduce the usage of tobacco. Samir is an app that provides hourly update based on the AQI, that is air quality index, that is being published by Central Pollution Control Board. AQI is a tool for effective communication of air quality in single number, nomenclature and color. So AQI, please revise your AQI, what exactly air quality index, etc. Now GERV is a mobile application that provides real-time updated data of ongoing electrification process to all users or stakeholders and provides information about government schemes and electrification data. So this is also important.